There's an update on the bird nest that I showed you up there. I hope Mama's not around. Crap, I forgot the flashlight. Hold on. Flashlight. Here it is. Okay. Is this on? Turn on, please. Good thing. There we go. Going up. I really hope the mom's not inside, otherwise I could get attacked or something. Hello, little birdies. It's okay, guys. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave them alone. Goodbye. I'm struggling to get down. Oh gosh. Sit there and stare up there just for a sec. Yay! Okay. I don't want to disturb them anymore because they're so cute and precious. Well, I wouldn't know that. I just assume they are. I haven't really seen them because that's a great nest. So, goodbye. Said goodbye.